Hi everyone, welcome to our Vidhyalakshmi YouTube channel. So today we are going to see class 11 zoology chapter 4, that is organ and organ system in animal. The topic is cockroaches. The scientific name of this cockroach is Periplaneta americana. First let us discuss about the classification of the cockroaches. The phylum Arthropods, class Insecta, order Arthroptera, genus Periplaneta and species Americana. So by the name of genus and species we are calling them as Periplaneta americana. The features of cockroaches. First let us discuss about the features of the cockroaches. It is brown and black bodied animals. We might have seen the cockroaches many times, okay. So that will be appears in the brown or black in color, okay. Sometimes it may be yellow, red, green colored cockroaches also can be reported in some tropical regions also. So they are nocturnal in nature, that is they will be very active during the night time. So only we are calling them as nocturnal in nature. They live in the damp places that throughout the world we can see. So we can see in the kitchens, bathrooms, wherever the storage places, we could see this cockroaches in n numbers. So they are series of pests and vectors of several diseases. Why we are calling them as pests or vectors? Because they are carrying their harmful pathogens like bacteria through with them and they are spreading into the other places. So we are calling them as pests. So here the cockroaches are nocturnal, omnivores. Omnivores in the sense they can eat both veg, plant and animal food. They are active at night, they can eat both plant and animal products. So we are calling them as omnivores. The next slide, let us discuss about the morphology. So you can see the morphology of this cockroaches. So it can be about 34 to 53 millimeter long, with the wings will be extended up to the end of this abdominal in the male. So we can see the difference in the male and female cockroaches. By the appearance we can differentiate them. The wings, if it is closed till the end of the body, it is male. If it is up to the anus region, it is female, okay. So the body is divided into three regions: head, thorax and abdomen. Head, thorax and abdomen, these are the three divisions of the body. The entire body is covered with the chitinous exoskeleton. The body is covered with chitinous exoskeleton and the exoskeleton is hardened plate called sclerites. It is called as named as sclerites and it is joined in each other with a thin flexible articular membrane. The sclerites will be joined together with this articular membrane. So head, let us discuss about the body parts now. First about this head. It is pear shaped and it is six segmented, okay. So it is lies in the right angle of the body. So the head will be present in the right angle of the body. So the articulates of the thorax by the flexible neck. So it has connected with the thorax by the flexible neck. On the each side of the head, it has a large compound eyes. You could see the compound eyes here. Okay, a large compound eyes can be seen here. So they have a pair of antennae. A pair of antennae could be seen in the here in the head region, okay. So it is connected to the notches of the compound eyes. So here you can see the notches, so which is connected with the compound eyes. The antennae have the sensory receptors, okay. They can monitor the environment through the antennae, okay. So the mouth parts, next is mouth parts, let us discuss about it. So the mouth part, it consists of 5 kinds of appendages together, we are calling them as a mouth, okay. So the mouth is used for chewing and biting, So these are different appendages of the mouth. One is labrum, it is called as upper lip, then mandibles which is used for biting and chewing, and then maxillae, second maxillae, and hypopharynx. Hypopharynx is nothing but the tongue of this cockroaches, and labium, it is a lower lip. Labium, it is called as the lower lip of this cockroaches. The second segment of this cockroach is thoracic region. So the thoracic region has 3 segments. One is prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. In this, the first one is the prothorax, which is the largest region in this thoracic region, and then mesothorax and metathorax. A pair of legs can be arise from the each segment. In the prothorax, 2 legs will be arises, and the mesothorax 2 legs, and the metathorax 2 legs. Totally 6 legs can be seen in the cockroaches. Okay. So, in each thorax it has pairs of walking legs, and then first pair of wings arises from the mesothorax, and the second pair will be arises from the metathorax. Okay. No wings can be arise from the prothorax. Okay. The 4 wings are called tegmina, so that is called as mesothorax, and it is not used for flying. And then the hind wings, which is present in the metathorax, which is used for the flying. Okay. So, it is transparent, membranous, and it is used for the hind wings are seems to be transparent and membranous, which is used for flying of these cockroaches. Mostly these cockroaches will not fly. If it feels dangerous, if it will need, at the time only it will fly. Third segment of the body is abdomen. So, abdomen consists of 10 segments both in the male and female cockroaches. In the female, the 7th sternum, which is present in the ventral side. So, it is in a boat shape, and together with the 7th, 8th and 9th sternum, it forms the brood, that is a genital pouch. Genital pouch, the anterior portion of this contains the female gonopores and spermathecal pores and collateral glands. So, which is a collateral glands, which is act as a female gland, reproductive gland. So, in males, the genital pouch or chambers lies in the hind end of the abdomen, that is in the 9th and 10th sterga. 9th and 10th sterga, it is called as gonopophysis. So, this gonopophysis will be used for copulation. The male bears a pair of short thread-like anal style. So, you can see anal style in the male. Okay. So, that will be present only in the male, not in, it is absent in the female. Okay. In the both sexes, 10th segment bear the pair of jointed filament structure called anal cerci. So, anal cerci will be present in the both the male and female. Okay. So, it will be helpful for them to monitor the vibration of earth. Vibration of earth can be felt by this anal cerci. So, this is a external feature of this cockroaches. It has the head region, the forewing, tegmina, hind wing, it is used for flight, and then abdominal region, anal cerci, and 6 legs are there. Okay. So, here this is the external feature of this cockroaches. So, let us discuss about the difference between male and female cockroaches. It is an important question. So, male and female cockroaches, the abdominal is long and narrow in the male, but it is short and broad in the female. Brood pouch is absent, here the brood pouch will be present. Male have the longer antennae, the female will have the shorter antennae. The anal style is present in this male alone. This will be absent in the female. So, let us discuss about the anatomy, that is the internal structure of this cockroaches. Let us discuss first about the digestive system. So, the picture represents the digestive system of this cockroaches. Let us discuss about this digestive system. So, the digestive system consists of alimentary canal. So, the alimentary canal of this cockroaches is divided into 3 parts. One is foregut, midgut and hindgut. So, the mouth is opens into the short pharynx over here. You can see the pharynx over here. So, it leads to the esophagus. Then it is open into the sac like crop. You can see the crop here, which is used for the storage of food. Okay. So, it is followed by the crop is followed by the gizzard. So, gizzard is the chitinous teeth of this cockroaches, which is used for grinding of the food particle, grinding of the food particle. The entire foregut is lined by cuticle. So, the foregut is lined by the cuticle, and then the second one is the ring of 6 to 8 blind tubules can be called as hepatic gastric caecae. Hepatic caecae can be seen in the midgut. Okay. So, it is a long tube like structure at the junction of this midgut and hindgut. Here you can see the Malpighian tubules, malphizian tubules, which is in number of 100 to 150 in number, which is yellow in color. Okay. So, it acts as a excretory system. The malphizian tube is act as a excretory system which excrete the nitrogenous waste from the hemolymph of this cockroaches. So, the hind gut is broader than this midgut. The hind gut is broader than this midgut, which ends in the colon and rectum, ileum, colon and rectum. So, that is all about today's class. We will continue the anatomy in the next class. Thank you all.